Welcome back, friends. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe that I keep seeing pop up on social media lately. I think it's an older recipe and it's just made a resurgence. I'm not sure, but I decided I wanted to try it. It is a tortilla egg bake. I find it similar to like a frittata almost, but it has a lot of protein in it. So I think that's, the whole purpose of it is getting more protein in your diet. But the base for this is like a tortilla, some cottage cheese, and just some, mozzarella cheese, things like that. That's kind of the base, and then you put whatever else you would want in it, and the eggs, of course. But I'm using a carb balance, burrito size tortilla for this, and I love the carb balance. Those are really good. And in my eggs, I like to put heavy whipping cream. I just find it helps to fluff them up just a little bit. So you need 3 eggs. And then for the things that you can put in it, you can put veggies, so like spinach. You'll need about 2/3 cup of cottage cheese, and that adds a lot of the protein to this. I'm adding some bacon I had left over from BLT's the other night. And I love Jimmy Dean hot sausage, so I just, fried up a little bit of that. That has a lot of seasoning in it, and it's not really spicy. I just find it adds a lot of seasoning. I'm adding some onions. I love onions in my eggs. Some colorful bell peppers, and some green onions. And you'll also, whatever seasonings you want to add, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper to this. But you can definitely add whatever, seasonings you like in your eggs. I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese and this triple cheddar cheese as well. Love cheese, so I think it makes it, a lot better. And you also need a round dish, baking dish, and you want your tortilla to be bigger than the pan, if that makes sense. I'll show you in just a second, but you want to spray your pan just a little bit. I'm going to put the tortilla in, and you want that to kind of go on the sides. You want it to kind of like a bowl in a sense. So that's what we're going to use this as. So you don't want it to be the exact size of the pan. Now I'm going to crack 3 eggs, and I'm going to put those onto the tortilla. If you prefer, you can do this in a bowl. I'm just doing it, the way I saw it on the videos on social media. And I'm just going to, get those 3 eggs there. Add a little bit of that heavy whipping cream. And like I said, I just always find it helps to fluff up the eggs a little bit. And then the protein of one of the main proteins is this cottage cheese, but it says this cottage cheese also helps to, fluff up the egg, but it has to be, I think, 2% or higher. And then I'm just gonna blend all of this together. Gotta, try to beat those eggs the best I can without, messing up the tortilla any. I don't want to tear it. So, and it didn't take long to do this. It just, just whisk it a little bit with a fork and it will blend in. I'm going to add some salt, and then I'm going to add some pepper. And as I said, add whatever you like to this, whatever seasonings you like. I'm going to just go ahead and, mix that in just a little bit. And then I'm going to add the spinach, and just add, as much as you want or as little as you want. You don't want to add too much of it, but it will shrink down some. I'm going to add the onions on top, and everything that I add on top will start to have where the spinach will go into the eggs. The bell peppers I'm going to add, but like I said, everything will weigh it down a little bit, so it will cook into the eggs. And your spinach does have a lot of water, so that will help as well. And I'm going to add those green onions to it. And if you want, you can also add tomatoes, but I'm not one for tomatoes in my eggs. I'm just never did like that. But I do like the bell peppers and things. And then I'm adding that hot sausage, and that really does add a lot of flavor to this. Then I'm going to add on that bacon. And you can use like I said, you can even use turkey, bacon, turkey, sausage, whatever you want. And I'm going to add on the mozzarella cheese. And then I'm going to add that triple cheddar cheese as well. And I'm just measuring with my heart here. I love cheese with my eggs, so just, put the amount that you like as well. I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 until it comes out, a toothpick comes out clean, until about 25 minutes or so. And now I want to transfer it to a plate just so I can, have a little bit of an ease to cut it, make it a little easier. So I'm going to take a butter knife and just kind of go around and just separate the egg from the pan. And it didn't really stick much. It was just in a couple of spots. So now I'm going to try and take it out and put it on this plate because it's still hot, but I want to eat it while it is hot, while it's at least warm. I don't like cold eggs, so I'm going to put a spatula under this and try to just transfer it over. Like I said, I didn't want it to get, cool off too much before I had a chance to taste it. And there you go. And this is what it looks like when it's done. You can kind of see the tortilla a little bit. I noticed in some videos I've seen the tortilla is, well up above the eggs and everything. But, I prefer it like this. I don't like, when it gets burnt and dry. So I'm just going to cut it into 4 pieces and serve it up. But like I said, this could be for breakfast, lunch, brunch, dinner, anytime. It really is a filling dish, I find. And it was really delicious. Lots of flavor in this. And you can see here after it cooled off just a little bit, all of that goodness in there, all that spinach and the bell peppers. Really, really delicious. So definitely want to try. I've made similar things like this, just not with the tortilla or the cottage cheese in it, but I enjoyed this. And I always feel like the simple recipes like this, that are basic, really do, deliver in the taste and flavor. So definitely one, I enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that'll notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. I thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.